Thank you very much. Thank you also for adhering to the time limit. Jill Evans now for a minute and a half. No, Ms. Grappini, Mrs. Evans is going to speak now. Thank you.
Thank you, President. I represent Wales, and EU membership has brought positive economic, social and cultural benefits. I also believe that the EU has benefited from having Wales as a member. There's a great deal about the EU that I would like to change, but we can only do that by working with our European partners to improve policy and make the EU more effective. We are far better off working for change within than shouting from the sidelines. The UK government wants more subsidiarity. Well, so do I, and that is why the proposed changes to be discussed in Council must be fully considered too in terms of their impact on the devolved governments of the UK. There must be a proper debate involving those governments, and I regret that the UK government has not done that to date. It's a matter of democracy and fairness. My party, Plaid Cymru, is committed to remaining in the EU, and I believe that the majority of people of Wales want that too. And if Wales votes to remain in, we should not be dragged out against our democratic will. And that is why we've called for a mandate to leave only if the 4 constituent parts of the UK agree to leave. I want to engage people in an open and honest and a fact-based and a mature debate about this, because it's a decision that will affect many generations to come. Thank you. Diolch.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Evans. You have a blue card from Mrs. Grappini. Are you prepared to answer that?
Yes.
Mrs. Grappini, please.
Mulțumesc, domnule președinte. Voiam o intervenție și pe procedură, am și o întrebare. Lămuriți-ne dacă ridicăm cartonașul când nici n-a început să vorbească colegul nostru sau